Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID balance and that you're signed into the right account. This ensures the store uses that balance first. Open the App Store, tap your profile, and read the balance amount. Make sure your payment method isn't required for this purchase type. Some subscriptions or family purchases behave differently. Once done, locate the app or in-app item you want and tap the Purchase or Price button so the system queues the transaction to use available balance automatically. Next, perform the in-app purchase flow inside the app itself. This is where the App Store balance is actually applied. Navigate to the item or subscription, select the exact product tier, and press Buy. The prompt should display your Apple ID and indicate the charge. That's the system checking your balance versus cost. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password to finalize. If the balance covers the cost, Apple uses it first, so the charge will complete without hitting your card. Finish by verifying the purchase in your App Store purchases and the app's account page. This confirms the item delivered. If your balance was insufficient, Apple automatically charges the remaining amount to your primary payment method, so check your card statement if needed. If the transaction fails or you see a billing error, sign out of the Apple ID and sign back in, then retry the purchase. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific resolution. This step usually resolves authorization or balance sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.